parfait.
Okay. Good. I feel really good here at Monaco. Everybody makes me welcome from the first day. And the most important thing was that I started to play, score goals, make assists, and help the team to qualify for the Champions League. And because of this, everybody was happy. And normally, you get a reward after this. I felt at home from, for the time I was here. So now, with one more year, it's going to be even better, because now the team is going where it should be in the Champions League, and it's going to be interesting season. I think that for the team, the goal need to be reach even higher than this season, and fight for every cup there is. This is where the best team and the best players play. So if you want to be the best, you need to play with the best and beat them. So for Monaco already been there, playing the Champions League final, so it's nothing new to them. Maybe for some of the players it's going to be new, but it's going to be interesting, and I know it's going to be, fun for the players to play, because you're going to play against some of the best team in the world. And what else do you need? This is the best part. I'll be learning in the summer something, and when I come back, I will know more French. But what I can say is that I'm happy that I signed for one more year. I feel good here, and I'll try my best next season as well to score goals and make assists for the team.